Let's fold some laundry. Quick disclaimer, we have been working outside getting our backyard in shape, so the inside has gotten a little neglected. Step 1, organize into piles. There's too much! Now step 2, we fold. Hey sexy bubba, where have you been? Downstairs without me, and that makes me sad. The enemy's all around us. Going crazy. I don't see an end. I don't know how much longer I got left. The more I fold, the more that comes. Step 3, put away everything. No.